Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adding a sidebar menu in WordPress. We will walk through the process clearly and concisely so that you can easily follow along and achieve the desired layout for your website. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you have reached the home page, locate the login option, which you will find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this login link will initiate the process of signing into your WordPress account. The next stage in the process involves authentication. When the login window appears, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. This method uses your Google account credentials, so simply select the account you wish to use for signing into WordPress. Once you have chosen your account, you will be successfully logged into your WordPress site. After logging in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on the dashboard. Here you will see a link labeled Edit Site. Click on this link to begin customizing your website. You are now ready to start adding new elements to your site's layout. Now that you are in the site editor, look for the plus icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon allows you to add new components to your page. Once you have clicked the plus icon, a search field will appear. Begin typing the word columns into this field. This action filters the available options, and you will soon see a selection of column layouts appear. The design you choose will determine how your site content is arranged, so take a moment to consider the layout that best suits your needs. After typing columns into the search field, choose the option that displays a layout with 3 parts out of a 6-part measure, often referred to as the 3/6 column format. This specific structure helps to create a balanced design where a sidebar will be emphasized beside your main content area. Once you have selected the 3/6 column layout, continue by clicking another plus icon to add a sidebar. This action integrates the sidebar into your website's design, providing a dedicated space for additional navigation or features. With the sidebar in place, you are almost done. Your final step is to click on another plus icon that appears to allow you to add an extra block. Adding this block enables you to further customize the content in your sidebar, ensuring that your website is both functional and visually appealing. Following these steps systematically will help you add a sidebar menu to your WordPress site efficiently. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Enjoy personalizing your website with this handy feature and continue exploring other customization options available within the WordPress site editor.